really quick tip today. If you work a lot with videos for your marketing, right, for your business, if you work with video creation, we all know that, editing a video can take a lot of time. And I've been playing around with AI video editing tools for quite a few months already. And I just wanted to talk to you about Filmora's new AI text-based editing feature. So I've been using Filmora for probably years already. And you'd probably find the exact same feature in any other tool you might be using, right? I'm going to be talking about Filmora because it's the one that I use. But look out for AI text-based editing in your own tool of choice, whether you use Descript, Adobe, whatever else. There's so many video editing tools out there, right? Let me just show how it works inside Filmora. I just noticed that my background is black and I'm inside Filmora and it's black as well. I should have chosen a different background for today. Anyway, probably could edit this, right? And then a beach behind me or something like that. But it's very, very simple. So let me just show you Filmora for this example here. Let me get this video here. So I upload the video as normal, right? I upload it and I drag it here into my timeline. Let me just do lower setting here. Cool. Okay, so once I'm there, I'm going to click with the right button of my mouse. I'm going to select the option Smart Edit Tool and then AI Text-Based Editing. Basically what this feature does is it's going to transcribe the audio of my video. So everything that I say in the video, I'll get a file with the words written for this audio, right? It's going to transcribe the audio of my video. All I have to do is click on Generate. Now, important thing to know, it takes credits, right? So you can't really do this whole thing with a free Filmora account. This task in itself takes a certain number of credits, which come with my Filmora subscription. I'm adding a link for you below so that you know more about prices and things like that. But yes, essentially it's a paid feature, right? It consumes credits. Conversion is in progress, please wait. Usually what I do is I just, go do something else and I wait until Filmora is done with the task. And so sometimes it takes a lot of time, if we're talking about a really long video. In other situations, it goes quite fast. It really depends. Either way, here we go. This is not a super long video that I have. I have much longer videos than this. But so here is the actual text of the audio that I have in my video, right? Everything that I'm saying here, do you want to automate, is in here. So it's a simple transcription of all the audio that I have in the video. The easiest thing to do here, right at the start, is to click on where it says delete all silent clips. This is such a game changer in video editing because one of the most annoying things when it comes to video editing is cutting the spaces in between sentences, times when you're just thinking about what you're gonna say or when you just breathe for a little bit too long. Stuff like that. And so, that's the easiest thing to do. Delete all silent clips. What it does is it will delete all of these long pauses that I have. For example, here, look at this pause that I do here. This whole thing is very recent, right? So it's going to delete this break here. It really depends on what you're editing, right? In my case, I find that it makes the video more dynamic. Some people opt not to crop out silences and pauses. I have been doing this just so that my videos also become a little bit shorter. So delete all silent clips. Gone. All you have to do is click on the button and Filmora automatically deletes all silent clips for you. They're all here. Okay? Deleted. So now what happens is, for example, this sentence here, right? So there was a pause here. It's gone, right? Cool. What else do we do here? We can just simply change anything that we are not happy about. Suppose that, I want to delete this sentence where I say, okay, just so that I can go straight to depending on when you're watching this video here. So I can just simply delete this and then the video that corresponds to that text that I deleted gets automatically deleted in my timeline. So the sentence goes straight from here to here. Let's just see this in action. This is very recent, depending on when you're watching this video. Right? So this is basically how I've been using the AI text-based editing. It saves a lot of time because when you're editing a video without looking at the script, you are a little bit lost, right? You're just working with the video and audio and you don't really know where that sentence is. And so this helps you save a lot of time. Once you're done, you're gonna click on Export to Timeline. And then of course, you can still go ahead and change, what you want to change, right? This was a first rough draft. You can still change whatever you want in here. You can add your transitions and things like that. So typically what I do is I edit once again here, and that's basically it. This is how AI text-based editing works. You have the exact same feature inside Descript. I was exploring Descript earlier this month, and I think it works great, just like Filmora. DemoCreator 8 also has this feature. So, you know, AI text-based editing is here to stay. I think it's a great addition to any video editing tool. And you know, this was just my tip for you in case you're working a lot with videos and you don't have too much patience to actually edit the whole thing. Just, you know, automate stuff with AI as much as possible. Hope you like this tip.